Hey, what's up guys? RC Hobby Steve here. I just got back from the post office and picked up my new refresher body for my Scx10.2 Jeep here. So, as you guys know, this Jeep has seen better days. The door doesn't close anymore. I'm missing a bunch of stuff that's supposed to be on the body. It's been through probably like 5 different paint jobs. Has a bunch of holes all over it from a bunch of stuff that I've done to it. Has body work done to the roof and to like the side skirts, where the side skirts will be, just a bunch of scratches. So I wanted to get a new body just so that way this one could just be like my beater body, or just like a spare body I can have, and then the one that I just bought can be like my refreshed body, something that isn't scratched up and looks really nice. So I already have a paint scheme that I'm gonna go with. It's pretty simple, but I'm really looking forward to this newer version of this body. So I purchased this body on eBay through RC World, and that's exactly where my wife got me this body. From the same company. So this is just an updated version. It comes with extra stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box and show you guys. Alright, so first things first, we got the RC World pamphlet right here. So I order a lot of stuff from these people, so go ahead and check them out. They have a lot of good crawler bodies and parts and wheels and tires and so on and so forth. They have everything, man, and really affordable prices, and they work with you a lot as well. So right on top we have one of the new items that comes with the body now, which is the inner roll cage. So that way, if you don't want to use the top piece, you can just run with the roll cage, which I'm pretty excited about because it is summer and most Jeeps take their tops off. So now I can take videos with either the top off or the top on, so that's pretty awesome. Alright. Box out of here. Alright. So, I'm going to take your stuff out little by little. Make sure everything is autofocus for you guys. There we go. Alright. So here we have the first set of fenders. So you have your very strong body magnets. This body is held with magnets. I don't know if I'm going to run the magnets alone and not poke the body holes through this body like I did with my red body, and just keep it as the magnets. But I'm gonna have to figure that out, because when I did run the magnets, they didn't hold the body that much, but I only trail this truck. I don't really rock crawl it that much, so I'll have to see. So this is the first set of fenders. Supposedly it says it comes with 2 sets, so I'm gonna have to see. But same fenders that I have on my JK body. You have your front seats, your rear seat, which I do not have in this body, your front grille, you have, what is that? Oh, okay. You have your radiator support with your light buckets. Then you have all your accessories for your dashboard. You have your shift knobs, your rear view mirror, your steering wheel, your side mirrors, everything you can think of is in here. You have your windshield mount right here. Dashboard, which I might paint up, but I'm not exactly sure yet if I'm going to. Probably add some color to it. Your hood scoop. I don't know if I'm going to be using this, but I'll see. You have your pins for your doors, which I haven't seen the doors yet. They're probably in there. And all your screws, which I'll probably use my own screws. I have Team K&K hardware, so I'll probably use that instead. Your light lenses for the rear, the front, and the markers. And then this is the new set of fenders that they threw in. So this one uses a bunch of tiny little screws, which I really find ugly, but I'll see what these look like on there. I probably won't put in all those tiny screws because, like I said, it doesn't really look right to me. I'll open this up real quick so you can see one. Where is my knife? Right here. So here is the rear piece that goes right here. Whoa, almost lost my camera. So this piece goes here, and it does go all the way up to the roof piece, so it covers a lot rather than this one only covering this. So I do find that pretty cool. That's pretty nice, especially that the tire can flex a little bit more. But like I said, it does kind of look weird, so I don't know if I'm going to use these because of those holes. It would be cool to give it a different look. Alright, so on to the main body. Oh, you have your body posts, which I won't be using these because I'll just unscrew the magnets that are on the chassis now and then put the newer ones, because those are like all rusted out. Alright, inside we have your doors with your inner trim, your rear doors that do not open, sadly. Hopefully they come out with this version of body with the rear doors opening. I know they have one with the original grille. I used to have that body, but it doesn't fit the Scx10.2 chassis that well. These are like a perfect fit, so that's why I buy this one. Here you have your window glasses. So freaking happy to have these because I don't have any windows in this freaking truck because they all popped out and broke, so hopefully this body can stay intact. Alright, and then last but not least, so I was right because the color I'm going to be going with is white, and in camera it looks white, but in person it's off-white right now. So I'm going to be spraying this body gloss white along with all the other pieces. So of course you have your body. Looks so nice and pristine. And then last part is your top piece, which looks amazing, nice and shiny. So pretty excited about this. I'm not gonna put anything on as of yet or paint anything because I am planning on making some 3D accessories for this thing and some custom parts, so that way I don't have to worry about cutting into the body and then it just not looking right. So I want to do everything right the first time, so that way this body can come out nice. So painting will probably be tomorrow. I'm going to be working today on doing the accessories, printing out the accessories and whatnot. Let's get some of this together for you guys. I know you know what it looks like, but this body's just so freaking cool. This thing is amazing. I think it's gonna look really nice all white. So let me see what it'll look like with one of these fenders on. I don't know, these fenders are kind of growing on me. Look pretty nice. I might go with that look, but I'm not exactly sure yet. Looks pretty badass. Then of course my little driver guy is gonna go in here. So he'll look pretty cool in there. Let's see what it'll look like on the body. I did forget that I have to do a little bit of cutting to the body because of where the motor is mounted right now. And then once that's cut, the back mounts up perfectly. But pretty excited. Have to look at the cuts I made to this one. So the front is already cut out. I'm gonna have to do a minor cut to one side right here. I don't think I have to go that deep, but we'll have to see. So as you see here on this body, so that way it can fit as low as possible, I had to cut out a big chunk of the body. So I don't think I have to cut that much, but we'll see. I'm going to take off the roof of this one, and I'm going to take this one apart so that way I can see exactly where the motor interferes with this big piece right here, so I don't have to cut so much. But overall, excited, and I'm looking forward to getting this body all prepped up and ready for some paints. Before I end the video, I do want to share with you guys what accessories I'm going to be putting on. So I'm thinking about doing some interior stuff. So in the trunk, I'm going to be printing out a Canyon cooler. So yeah, a Canyon cooler for here. Probably like some camping stuff, so a cooler, a lunchbox, some simple stuff. I don't want to overflow this trunk because it is pretty tiny. One thing I was thinking about doing was making a trunk that divots in, so cutting this piece out. I might have to do it with my other body so that way I have a template to go off of, but I'll have to see, because I don't, like I said, I don't want to ruin this body and then it not function properly. So I also have to see where everything mounts up. My battery also sits back here, so I have to remember that. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted with all the stuff that I do. Follow my Instagram, because I usually update a lot of stuff on there rather than here on YouTube. I just record what's really going on. And when the body is done with all the accessories, I'll make sure to record a video for you guys so you can see it all mounted up, so you guys can see what I had to cut out as well. But other than that, I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Peace.